My name is Celeste Ortiz, and I will be presenting the functions of integuments. The integumentary system is made up of 3 layers: the hypodermis, the dermis, and the epidermis. The epidermis is the outer layer. It consists of living cells and dead cells. It is above the dermis, and the main function is to protect the dermis and serve as a barrier to pathogens and sensory receptors. The epidermis has 4 to 5 different layers. The 4 layers are only in thin skin, and the 5 layers are in thick skin. For example, the palms and soles. The 5 layers starting from the bottom is the stratum basale, stratum spinosum, stratum granulosum, stratum lucidum, which is only in thick skin, and the stratum corneum. The stratum basale is the deepest layer in the epidermis. Melanocytes are also found in the stratum basale, creating melanin. Melanin is pigment of the skin. It protects the underlying tissue from UV radiation. If we were to have too much UV radiation, that could lead to damaging the DNA, which could lead to melanoma. The stratum spinosum, also known as the spiny layer, has 8 to 10 layers of keratinocytes joined together by desmosomes. Stratum granulosum is this green layer right here, has 3 to 5 layers of keratinocytes. Keratinocytes are diverse in the epidermis. Keratinocytes create keratin, and keratin are strong fibrous proteins. Stratum lucidum, which is this yellow layer right here, is considered the clear layer of the skin. It is located in palms and soles. It covers the stratum granulosum and is filled with keratin. The stratum corneum, also known as the horn layer, is the exposed surface of the skin. It ranges from 15 to 30 layers of keratinized cells. It is water resistant. It sheds and is replaced every 2 weeks. It goes through an insensible perspiration process, which is when interstitial fluid is lost by evaporation through the corneum. There are 2 types of sweat glands that release product through exocytosis. They are both types of merocrine glands. Apocrine sweat glands are larger than endocrine sweat glands. The ducts empty into hair follicles, as you can see. They are sexual scent glands. They're odorless, but when decomposed by bacteria on the skin, body odor is created. Endocrine sweat glands cools the skin. They excrete water molecules and electrolytes through pores of the skin. As you can see, it's shooting out into its own duct through the pore. It has the sensible perspiration process, which is water excreted by merocrine sweat glands. Characteristics of the skin are synthesizing vitamin D3, which is also known as cholecalciferol. The skin also provides insulation, which is when heat capacity is able to keep us warm. These 2 are water molecules, meaning that they have 1 hydrogen as the red and 2 oxygens. So hydrogen bonding is when you have a water molecule connect to another water molecule, causing surface tension. A hydrogen bond. Cholesterol is a type of steroid. If it builds up in the arteries, it causes a plaque, which then leads to an abnormal blood flow in the dermis.